Hi everyone. Today we are trying to recreate this turtle face, clock face shape right here with the turtle um module on Python. And each of these little ticks it kind of looks like a clock face. So first we're gonna import the turtle. We're gonna give it all the attributes, a color, a pen size, a background color. Now to do instead of just having um the basic arrow for the turtle shape. We change the shape. We use the command test.shape and then enter turtle. And you can change the shape to a couple other different things. Um, and then to get right in the middle, we're going to use the stamp. So test.stamp to just stamp right in the middle. And then we're going to define the clock tick, T. Um, so we actually only have to enter the command once and the program will do the rest for us. So we're going to define clock tick T for I in range 12 because there's 12 different ticks on the clock face. And then we're going to pick up our pen because as you can see right here, there is there's nothing, just the background color. And then we're going to move our turtle forward 50 with the pen up so there's no marking. We're going to put the pen down forward 20 to get our first little dash. Pick our pen up, move forward 20 more, pen down, and then we're going to stamp the turtle. And then we're going to pick our pen back up, and we're going to go all the way back to the original start point, which would be backward 90. And then since there's 320, 360 degrees in a circle, and we want 12 ticks, we're going to take 360 divided by 12, which gives us an angle of 30. So we're going to move our turtle module right by 30 degrees. And then since it's in range 12, it's just going to do the rest of the work for us. So let's run our program real quick. So clock tick test, because we defined it for T, but we want it for test. So I'm going to put test in there. And we're going to run turtle module. And there, yes, there we go. And it's even in pink and green. So let's compare a little bit. Yes, on there, 12 ticks, 12 ticks, turtle facing that way, turtle facing that way. Spaces in between all of them. I mean, the spacing's a little bit different, but I'd say we got it. Anyway, thank you.